Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. This is the fourth part of our French verb series. And if you haven't watched the first, second, and third part of the verb series, I'll share the link in the description box. So let's start with the fourth part. Pense. Pense is to think. Continue, to continue. Vivre, to live. Croire, to believe. Tenir, to hold. Entrer, to enter. Essayer, to try. Acheter, to buy. Regarder, to look at or to watch. Apprécier, to appreciate. Let's repeat once more and you can repeat after me. Pense, to think. Continue, to continue. Vivre, to live. Croire, to believe. Tenir, to hold. Entrer, to enter. Essayer, to try. Acheter, to buy. Regarder, to look at or to watch. Apprécier, to appreciate. Right? I hope the pronunciation is clear. So let's discuss these verbs with the help of examples. First, pense. Je pense que c'est une bonne idée. I think that it's a good idea. Je pense que c'est une bonne idée. I think that it's an good idea. Ils pensent à leur prochain voyage. They are thinking about their next journey. Ils pensent à leur prochain voyage. Voyage is journey, right? Prochain is next. Pense, last form. Let's move the second verb. Continue. Continue. Nous continuons à travailler sur le projet. We continue to work upon the project. Nous continuons à travailler sur le projet. Other example. Il continue de marcher malgré la pluie. Pluie is rain, malgré is despite. They continue working despite raining. They continue working despite raining. Il continue de marcher malgré la pluie. Third verb, vivre, to live. Elle va vivre à la campagne. Campagne is countryside. She wants to live in the countryside. Elle va vivre à la campagne. One more example. Nous vivons dans cette ville depuis 10 ans. We have been living in this city since 10 years. Sorry, for 10 years. Nous vivons dans cette ville depuis 10 ans. We have been living in this city for 10 years. Then, croire, to believe. Je crois en toi. I believe you or I trust you. Je crois en toi. Ils croient en la science. They believe in science. Ils croient en la science. Correct? Then, tenir, which means to hold. Il tient un bouquet de fleurs. He is holding a flowers bouquet. Il tient un bouquet de fleurs. Correct? Nous tenons fermement nos opinions. Opinion is opinion. We are firmly holding our opinions. Nous tenons fermement nos opinions. We are firmly holding our opinions. I hope this is clear. Let's discuss the next verb, which is entrer, to enter. Il entre dans la salle de classe. He enters in the class. he enters in the class. Il entre dans la salle de classe. One more example. Nous n'entrons jamais sans frapper. Frapper is to knock. We never enter without knocking. Nous n'entrons jamais sans frapper. Clear? Then essayez to try. J'essaie de comprendre. I'm trying to understand. Comprendre, understand. I'm trying to understand. J'essaie de comprendre. Guess what? One more example. Elle essaie une nouvelle recette. Recipe. She is trying a new recipe. Elle essaie une nouvelle recette. Clear? Then, acheter, to buy. Nous achetons des légumes au marché. We buy vegetables from the market. Nous achetons des légumes au marché. Il achète un nouveau téléphone. He buys a new phone. Il achète un nouveau téléphone. He buys a new phone. Regarder, to look at or to watch. Il regarde un film intéressant. He is watching an interesting film. Il regarde un film intéressant. Nous regardons le coucher de soleil. Coucher de soleil is sunset. We are watching the sunset. Nous regardons le coucher de soleil. Nous regardons le coucher de soleil. आप कैसी to appreciate. जब कैसी तो need. I appreciate your help. Aid is help. जब कैसी तो need. I appreciate your help. Next example. Nous apprécions la beauté de la nature. Nature, nature. Beauty, beauty. We appreciate the beauty of the nature. Nous apprécions la beauté de la nature. I hope these verbs are clear. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.